Hey guys, welcome to Coffee and Wealth. This is Tony. Today we're going to talk about some of the most popular investment apps out there. In this episode, we'll go over the sign-up bonus and referral bonus for each of the apps, and we will talk about the features in our next episode. But before we get started, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you'll never miss our awesome content. Alright, let's get started. So there are a total of 5 popular investment apps out there, which are Robinhood, Webull, M1, Acorns, and Stash. Each one of them has a different reward bonus system. The bonus can be categorized into either sign-up bonus or referral bonus, and the rewards can be either cash or stock. First, let's take a look at the most popular one, Robinhood. Robinhood itself does not actually have any sign-up bonus unless you go through someone else's referral link. So if you want to get a free stock, make sure you go through a referral link when signing up. Robinhood itself has a really good reward system. As long as you go through someone's referral link, both the referrer and the new user can get a stock worth between $2.50 to $200. Worth noting, Robinhood actually does not require new user to deposit any initial funds. To put it simple, as long as you go through a referral link and sign up successfully, both people can get a free stock. But of course, there are limitations. You can only accumulate up to $500 worth of rewards. So if you go over that, your rewards will stop and will have to wait till next year to continue. Robinhood mainly uses stock as their rewards bonus, and the probability for the value of the stock will be 98% chance of getting a value between $2.5 to $10. 1% chance of getting between $10 to $50. And lastly, 1% chance of getting a value between $50 to $200. So the probability of getting a high value stock is actually not low. 1 out of every 100 people will get a high value stock. Some of the most popular reward stocks are Sprint, Southwest, Home Depot, Staples, Office Depot, GM, GE, Microsoft, Facebook, Berkshire, or even Apple. Worth noting, Robinhood in 2020 actually has promotion going on. For every 3 people you refer, you can actually get 4 stocks, which is 1 more than normal. Second, let's take a look at Webull. Webull has similar reward system as Robinhood, with the exception that new registration does not require a referral link to receive a free stock. The stock will be valued between $2.50 to $250. And if the new user can deposit $100 within 30 days, they can receive a second stock. The second stock will be valued between $12 to $1,400. Users can also use referral link to earn more stocks. As long as new referred user register and also deposit $100, both people can receive 2 stocks each. For the new user, it will be the same as described before. The first stock will be valued between $2.5 to $250, whereas the second stock will be valued between $1,200 to $1,400. But for the referrer, both stock will be valued between $1,200 to $1,400. This means that upon successful referral, you can obtain at a minimum value of $24 worth of stock. Unlike other companies, Webull actually promotes referral a lot. There is no limitation on how many people you can refer. The more you refer, the more you will earn. But their referral system is very dynamic. Sometimes when you successfully refer, you can get up to 3 stocks instead of 2. Webull's reward is also mainly stock. The probability will be 95% falls between the value of $12 to $30, 1.9% between $30 to $100, 0.09% between $100 to $200, and lastly, 0.01% values between $1,000 to $1,400. Compared to Robinhood, the likelihood to obtain a higher value stock is actually lower. But worth noting, Webull's referral system is very dynamic. Sometimes when you refer successfully 3 times, you can get up to 9 stocks. Sometimes when you deposit $10,000 to $25,000, they will give you 10 free stocks. When you deposit $25,000 to $100,000, they'll give you 25 free stocks. And if you can deposit more than $100,000, they can give you up to 35 stocks. Each of those stocks will value between $1,200 to $1,400. Recently, in their 2-year anniversary, they even give out 100 Google stocks for free to users. So Webull is a very aggressive company trying to gain market shares and dominate in the investment apps category. Third, let's take a look at M1. M1's reward system is actually very simple compared to Robinhood and Webull. New user upon registration will receive a $10 reward if they can deposit at least $100 within 90 days. Users can also referral using Referral Link. If the new user signed up using your referral link and deposit at least $100, both the referrer and the new user can receive a $10 reward. So M1's reward system is actually quite straightforward. It's just a $10 cash. And there is no limitation on how much you can earn through referral system, meaning that the more you refer, the more cash you can earn. But worth noting, registering a normal account will need to at least deposit $100. But if you are signing up for a retirement account, you will need to deposit at least $500, which has a higher standard compared to the other apps, but the reward is mediocre. Even though the reward system seems very average, but the app's feature is actually very special. I will analyze the feature in the next episode. The fourth one we're gonna take a look at is Acorns. Acorns' reward system is also similar to M1. New user upon signing up will receive a $5 reward if they can have an initial deposit of $5. Through the referral link, if a new user signed up and deposit $5, both the referrer and the new user can get $5 cash reward. The sign up bonus and referral reward is actually very low compared to the rest of the apps. And there is no limitation on how many you can refer also. But each month, Acorn always has special offers. For example, in July, if you can refer successfully 5 times, you can get an additional one-time bonus of $500. And the dollar amount varies every single month. In June, if you can refer 4 people, you can receive $300. In May, if you refer 4, you can get $250. So every month is a little bit different. The highest is actually in March. If you can refer successfully 12 times, you can get a total of $1,000. So even though the sign-up bonus and referral reward is extremely low, but every single month their promotion is actually very attractive. Lastly, let's take a look at Stash. Stash has both cash rewards or stock rewards. Cash will usually fall between $5 to $50, where a stock can get up to a value of $20. Currently, Stash is actually only doing cash rewards. Just like Robinhood, there is no sign-up bonus if you don't use a referral link. So make sure if you're signing up for Stash, use a referral link, or else you're gonna miss out on the sign-up bonus. New user will actually need to have an initial deposit of at least 1 cent. And through referral link, both the referrer and the new registration can receive a $20 sign-up or referral bonus. Each year, you can only receive up to $500 worth of bonus. So their reward system is actually also very simple and straightforward. But sometimes Stash also has special promotion. For example, a direct deposit of $300 will give you a $50 bonus. It seems like Stash is focusing on increasing their asset size rather than increase on user growth. And with that, we have summarized the 5 most popular investment apps with their reward and referral system. Among the 5, Robinhood is the one that has the most stable reward system, whereas the other 4 is always constantly changing. So the number provided in the video is only for references. The reward system is actually the least that you will consider when signing up for an investment apps. What's more important is the feature. So in our next episode, we will dive deep into each app and explore their features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.